ready to begin working on the edging on the collar. I already made the first one. Turning my work on the wrong side. I'm going to start by making a slip knot. Always leave enough thread. Working on the wrong side of my work, I'm going to look for the second row of the strap. This is 1, 2. I'm going to make a single crochet. Chain 2. 2 double crochets together. The first one in the first row of the strap, and the second one in the middle space of the 3 double crochets on the collar. Close them together. Notice I inserted my hook grabbing 3 loops instead of 2. Usually when you make a double crochet, you insert it in 2 loops. Here I am inserting my hook in 3 loops. Now, chain 3. I made my first 2 double crochets together. I'm going to make a total of 4. So I am now going to make a double crochet in the same space. The next one, double crochet in the chain space and close them together. Remember, I'm making double crochets together. This is my second one. Now chain 3. Double crochet in the same space, the chain space, without closing. Now the next double crochet in the middle of the 3 double crochets on the collar. Inserting my hook in 3 loops. Now I'm going to close them together. I need one more. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. Double crochet in the same space without closing. Double crochet in the chain space. This is my fourth 2 double crochets together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now chain 3. Single crochet in the middle of the 3 double crochets. Chain 3. Single crochet in the chain space. Chain 3. Skip the 3 double crochets. They're the ones in the middle. Single crochet in the chain space. Chain 3. Single crochet in the middle of the 3 double crochets. Chain 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets. I am now going to repeat the stitches that I made on the other side. Double crochet in the chain space without closing. Double crochet in the middle of the 3 double crochets. Close them together. Chain 3. 2 double crochets together. I'm going to insert my hook in the same space for the first one. Double crochet in the chain space and close them together. I have 2 double crochets together. Chain 3. Double crochet in the same space without closing. Double crochet in the middle of the 3 double crochets. Inserting my hook in 3 loops instead of 2. Close them together. I have 1, 2, 3 double crochets together. 3 chains. The first double crochet in the same space, and the second one in the first row of the strap, and close them together. Chain 2. Single crochet in the second row of the strap. Single crochet in the third row of the strap. I have 1, 2, 3 rows on the strap. That's what I made my last single crochet. I'm now going to chain 2 and turn my work. I am now working on the right side of my work. I'm going to begin the edging, making a double crochet in the next space, right here. Double crochet, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 2, double crochet, inserting my hook in the space before the single crochet I just made. This is similar to the stitches under the arm. Now single crochet in the next chain space, chain 2, double crochet in the space before the single crochet I just made. Single crochet in the next space, chain 2, single crochet in the space before the single crochet I just made. Single crochet in the next chain space, 2 chains, double crochet in the space before the single crochet I just made. Single crochet in the next chain space. I'm going to continue repeating all the way till I reach the first row of the strap. Chain 2, double crochet in the space before the single crochet I just made. Single crochet in the next chain space. I reached the place where I started. This is where I started. The last stitch is going to be slightly different. I'm going to chain 2, double crochet in the space before the single crochet. Don't close it. Slip stitch in the same space where I made the first single crochet, right here. Now single crochet in the third row of the strap. 1, 2, 3. This is where I made the last single crochet. Chain 1 for security. Leave enough thread and cut. I completed the stitches on the collar. I have a total of 14 stitches. Go ahead, repeat and complete the other side. I'm going to hide my stitches and come back and show you how to do the cord. For the cord, I'm going to use 2 strands. Make a slip knot. I'm going to chain a total of 65 inches. Go ahead, continue and see you at the end. I completed 65 inches. I cut my thread. I am now going to make a knot at the end. Get it close to the end. The other side, I'm going to make a knot. Get it close to the edge. Cut my ends. Using the stitch in the center as reference, I follow a straight line and place a marker on the 3 double crochets on the center. I have 2 spaces on the first row directly under my marker. On the right one, on the first row where I started, I'm going to go up and down, inserting my cord. Make sure not to miss any of the spaces. I'm going to continue till I reach the center. I inserted my cord. This is the center. I have 1 cord coming out of the space on the right and the other cord coming out on the space on the left. This is the center. And this is where you make your bow. I finished the top. I steam ironed it. It measures about 17¼ inches, and the length is about 17 inches. 16½ to 17 inches. If you like my content, I appreciate it if you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps my channel. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.